Hi everyone, Greg here. Now, today is pulled pork day. I'm going to show you how to whip up a really nice pulled pork, super easy to throw together. If you can't make this, then mate, just give up cooking altogether, okay? Because it's that easy. It's only 3 ingredients. Let me show you how it's done. So, for today's recipe, I've got some pork shoulder here. It's pretty cheap to buy actually. It's about $11 a kilo where I am. You'll need about 1 kilo to 1.5 kilos worth. I've got 1 kilo here, which is about 2.314 pounds worth. Now I've got some pork shoulder there. You can use some boneless pork ribs for this. Just grab a slab of pork. Some of the other things you'll need is some beef stock and some BBQ sauce as well. Now there's a couple of utensils that you will need to cook this meal, and that is a slow cooker and an oven. And you'll need a frying pan that you can actually stick in the oven without the handle catching on fire. Now if you don't have the big frying pan, you can also use a casserole or baking dish for this. Have you got one of those? Well good, this recipe's for you. Anyway, let's start cooking. So into your slow cooker we'll shove the pork. Grab your beef stock and we'll add in about 2 cups of that, half a litre. Put the lid on, and I want to cook it on a high temperature for about 4 hours. I'll take some of that off. It could be 5 hours, but I'll come back in 4 and check. Start. Pretty easy so far, huh? But don't worry, it gets a little bit harder later on. Well, if you can call it a little bit harder. Anyway, you know what I'm missing? A couple of ingredients. So I just got to whip to the shops and go grab myself some bread rolls. And let's see if they've got some coleslaw on special too. That'll make these sandwiches even better. Let's go. Alrighty, well, here we go. Some bread rolls, $2. Oh, you beauty. Oh, these will be perfect. Oh, here we go. Here's some coleslaw, only $3. I think I'll get one of those. You little ripper. While I'm here, I should check out the chocolate aisle. Yeah. Okay, well, the 4 hours is up. Let's see if this is ready yet. Whoa, boy. Okay, so it should come apart easily with 2 forks if it's ready. Oh! Wow, that is just melting apart. You beauty. Okay, it's at the right stage. So before we move on, it's time to preheat the oven. 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 Fahrenheit. Let's transfer this meat into our frying pan or baking dish. And we just want to start shredding it. Hopefully it'll be nice and easy because it's so tender. Oh, look how easy that is coming apart. And now it's time to grab your barbecue sauce and we'll squirt it all over the top. You're gonna need pretty much the whole bottle of this, so get a whole bottle. Make sure you got a whole bottle on hand, just in case. I didn't use the whole bottle then, but we'll just mix this through, see if that's enough. Oh, I love that sound, especially after a curry. Spread that out. Hopefully your oven's preheated. We'll just stick it in there to heat it through. That should take about 20 to 30 minutes. And what that will also do is help that barbecue sauce caramelize and thicken, and oh, you just wait and see. So we'll come back when that's ready. In about 25 to 30 minutes. All right, well, the timer's gone off and take a look at that. Whoa. Well, there you go, delicious barbecue pulled pork. How easy was it? There was hardly any hands-on time at all. But of course, I'm not going to leave it just like that. I am going to make a sandwich out of it, so let's do that. Yeah, cool. So we'll grab a bread roll, or a roll as some people call it. Don't know why they'd call it a roll. Let's see if it does. Oh, it does a little bit. Now, what sort of human being would I be if on this roll I didn't add God's gift to the human race, some butter. Oh, I love this stuff. Oi, you got a license for that butter knife?
Yeah, I have got a license for this, thank you.
So we better add some butter on there, shouldn't we? Yeah. Oh yeah, both sides? Well, that would be the healthiest thing to do now, wouldn't it? Next, let's add some of this delicious pulled pork. Oh, mate! Cobbers! Chillers! And what's a pulled pork sandwich without some coleslaw? Oh, yeah. Put the lid on top. Oh, baby, now we're talking, brothers and sisters. Well, there you go. Just take a look at that. How easy was it to make this pulled pork? Oh, so easy. Let's give this sandwich a go. Holy cow. Did I really make that? That just seemed way too easy to get such a great result. And the pulled pork on its own. Just melts in your mouth. Well, there you go. There's a really simple pulled pork recipe for you. And I'll tell you what, it tastes really good. It tastes like one that you'd pay top dollar for. When in reality, that meal altogether cost me, it was about $14, $15 to make all of that pulled pork. That's $130 worth if you bought it at a restaurant. Anyway, if you do make it, I'd love to know what you thought about yours. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next recipe right here on Greg's Kitchen. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the 3-ingredient pulled pork I made today. It's 4 ingredients if you're including love. It is